Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Walmart to get some amazing IBOTTA deals. This is an all digital couponing deal, so you're not using any paper coupons whatsoever. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Also join me on my social media channels, Instagram and Facebook at Praising and Saving, so to know when all of my deals are coming out. I have a printable breakdown in the description box that you are able to use. So just click on the description box and then find that printable breakdown link. You can either print it off to take it to the store, or you can just pull it up on your phone. It makes it easy peasy for you guys, so you don't have to write any deals down. All right, let's get started on some amazing deals at Walmart. So I'm working really hard right now to get up a lot of razors for my homeless shelter that's near my city, and they're totally out. They have none. So these big Soleil Escapes, they're $5.97. There is a $3 IBOTTA rebate that's going to make these $2.97, and you'll get 4 blades and 4 razors. So it's 4 razors with the 4 blades on that. And this can be done up to 3 times, so you can pick up 3 packs of these, making these $2.97 each. The next razor item I'm getting for my homeless shelter are these big silky touches. These are $2.97 each. We have $1 back on IBOTTA, making these $1.97. And the reason these are such a great deal is because it has 10 in the pack, and you can do this deal up to 2 times on this Walmart. So you can do this twice and get back $1 per pack. So when this Bactine deal is in my IBOTTA feed, I always pick these up. This Bactine Max cleansing spray is my favorite thing. Growing up, my grandma would always put iodine on us when we had scrapes and bruises or whatever, and she called it monkey's blood. But nowadays, we put this Bactine spray on our kiddos when they have a bug bite or abrasion, that sort of thing, and cleans it. These are $4.97. There's an IBOTTA rebate for half off, so we're going to get these for about $2.50. Now, my local high school was doing a drama production, and they needed things like Neosporin, Bactine, Band-Aids, that sort of thing, and so I was happy to supply this. And I'm also going to donate some of this to the homeless shelter as well, because they always need Band-Aids and Neosporin and Bactine as well. So yeah, half off on this, and you can do this deal up to 5 times per transaction, so great deal on the Bactine spray. So the next deal is a Airwick VIP. This is the, before you put it in the, before you go, you put it in the toilet, you spray in the toilet. So these are $5.48 each. You're going to pick up 2 of these. Your total is going to be $10.96. There's an IBOTTA rebate for a BOGO, so buy one, get one free. And it's going to, that's a $5.49 IBOTTA rebate. So you're going to get both of these for about $2.75. And that's a pretty good deal considering that the Poopery ones are $10 each. So those are pretty pricey. But yeah, $2.75 on those is pretty good. So I think this might be my Walmart deal of the day because we absolutely love these at our house. Plus we have tons of those cartridges that you buy and get for free pretty much with IBOTTA. But these Airwick refills, they are $5.48 each. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of these. Your total is going to be $10.96. There's a high value coupon on the coupons app for $5.50 when you buy 2. So your total is going to come down to $5.46. Then you're going to head on over to IBOTTA. There is a $1.50 rebate that can be done up to 3 times if you choose. But of course, we're just going to get 2 of them, so that'll be $3 in IBOTTA rebates. Our total after the coupons app and the IBOTTA rebate is $2.46, or just $1.23 each. This is such a great deal. Very excited to get these Airwick refills. So this is a repeat deal. We did get these in the last IBOTTA round. I love when great IBOTTA rebates come back into our gallery. So these Doritos, you can get the regular Doritos or the Cool Ranch. They are on rollback for $3.50 each. We're going to pick up 2 bags. Our total is going to be $7. Then we're going to submit to IBOTTA for $3.98. That's a high value IBOTTA rebate, making our total for both bags $3.02 or $1.51 each. So if this comes back in the gallery next time, I'm definitely going to come back and pick these up again. So this is a lunchbox favorite in my house, and I never have gotten a deal or coupons on pretzels before, so I'm kind of excited about this. And this is also a limit of 5, so you can do this deal up to 5 times on IBOTTA, which I plan on doing. This will take my kids to the end of the school year in pretzels. So these Roll Gold pretzels are the 1 pound bag. You can either get the twist or the sticks. They are $3.68 each. IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.47 back. It's going to make each bag of pretzel just $2.21 each. So I think it's a great deal on a 1 pound pack of pretzels. Plus, it can be done up to 5 times in that transaction. All right, we have another limit of 5 on IBOTTA. So I'm stocking up on these. I like the Pepsi mini cans because kiddos in my house like to drink a couple sips of a large can and waste it, so we're not having that. These are $3.98 each for the Pepsi mini cans, and I believe you can do all the variety of Pepsi products, so just scan them to check. These are $3.98 each. I remember last year these were $2.97, but anyways, IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.50 back, making each 6-pack of Pepsis just $2.48 each. Have a pretty decent deal on the Finish Quantum Powerball. This is the 12 tabs. These are $4.12 each. There is a $1.50 coupon on the coupons app. And then there's also a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate that can be done up to 5 times per transaction. So after the IBOTTA rebate and the coupons app rebate, this would be just $1.12 each. So this is a repeat deal. We actually got this last week at Walmart. The IBOTTA rebate in the gallery has reset again, which is a great deal. These are $3.74 each. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate on the Free and Clear and a $2 rebate on the Blue Oxy. So you can get up to 5 bottles for the Free and Clear and up to 5 bottles on the Oxy. So that could be a total of 10 bottles if you want to, making these just $1.74 each. This is a must-do deal, and you don't need any coupons at all. No paper coupons, no digital coupons, just IBOTTA rebates, and up to 5 times each, so $1.74.